Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable require verbs for voice access commands on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on the accessibility item. Next, go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Then you go down and tap on voice access. Next, tap on settings. In settings, go to the voice command preferences section and tap on require verbs. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on, switch it off. Say require verbs. For example, tap or open for voice access commands. And then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.